how to access affiliate marketing for beginner course and the Newbie affiliate marketing guide on Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to your course on EarnersPay, and also I'm going to show you how you can put in your account number in your affiliate dashboard. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get more details about EarnersPay, and also I have a gift for you, so make sure you watch the video to the end to get access to the gift. So right now I'm going to go to my Chrome browse. So I'm going to tap on EarnersPay. Okay, so you're going to tap on this first EarnersPay log page. Okay, you come to this place to log in. I'm going to log in with my second when affiliate dashboard. I'm going to log in with my second affiliate dashboard. So I'm going to okay. So as a beginner, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can put your account details on this affiliate dashboard. So you're going to tap on this place, on this, sorry, you're going to tap on this head icon by your right hand side, and then you come to my profile. You're going to wait for it to load, then you slide down. Can you see? This is my details, my name, my email, my country. I've put my account details, so I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to use my access bank. I just hope I remember my access bank account. I'm going to tap on access bank. So I'm going to slide 1 2 2. The service is temporary unavailable. So if your account number is correct, your name is going to pump up at the downside. So when your name pump up and it's tally with the name on your affiliate dashboard, you're going to tap on update bank info. So after clicking on update bank info, you are going to receive an OTP. So you are going to copy the OTP from your email address and paste it there. That is when your bank account details will be updated on this platform. So it's for security reason, because you need to confirm if truly that account details is for you. So you're going to receive an OTP directly to your email address. So that's for this. Let me try again. Okay, just go through it. You can check others video where I talk about how you can update your account details on EarnersPay. You can just watch the video in my previous video. So right now I'm going to tap on just these 3 lines, so you can see dashboard, access your AMB course, product marketplace, your affiliate sales, withdrawals, your affiliate rank, AMB leaderboard, AMB. So this place that is access AMB course, if if you bought the new bean affiliate marketing guide, you are going to see it access your NAG course. But in this dashboard, in this affiliate dashboard, I got access to the affiliate marketing beginner course. So that's why you see access AMB course. But if it's the new bean affiliate marketing guide, you are going to see access NAG course. So then you tap on it. So can you see? You tap on it. So affiliate market for beginners program. You go through the course. You see, you have any certificate because I've completed the course. You see, everything has been marked. So if you are a beginner, all this thing that is marked will not be marked. I went through the course and I was able to get my certificate. So that is how you can get access That's how you can get access to your course on NSP dashboard. So if you want to get started and you don't have a lot of money, or because of money you have not been able to start affiliate marketing, this is a good opportunity for you to start affiliate marketing, because there is discounts going on right now, started on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it's going to end this Sunday. It's going to end this Sunday around 11:59 p.m. So you still have the opportunity to get access to the new being affiliate marketing guide. After getting the new being affiliate marketing guide, you will have access to your NSP affiliate platform. So this is a great opportunity for you to start affiliate marketing with a one-time payment of $7,700. So if you want to get access to NSP, you want to be an affiliate marketer on NSP, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to sign up, or if you cannot sign up online, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'll be able to direct you on how you can sign up, and also I can help you to sign up. So there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link in the description below to sign up on NSP. And also you can click the link on the first comment section to get access to the new being affiliate marketing guide, because the discount is going to end this Sunday around 11:59. So don't miss out right now. So get access to the new being affiliate marketing guide on NSP and start affiliate marketing. And this will enable you to be able to earn with your smartphone without leaving your comfort zone. So this is a big opportunity. 7,000 will save you from borrowing 2K, from asking, okay, brother, send me 2K, brother, send me 3K. So like and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing different ways you can earn money through your smartphone. So I hope you have learned one or two things. If you want to get started on NSP, you want to get access to the new Being Affiliate Marketing Guide, click the link in the description below to get access to it right now. Thank you.